Keeping your mind sharp after 50 isn't just about puzzles and crosswords. Fun hobbies can do wonders for your brain too. Here are 5 enjoyable activities that boost memory, focus, and creativity. 1. Learning a new instrument. Playing music stimulates multiple parts of the brain, improving coordination and memory while reducing stress. 2. Painting or drawing art helps with problem-solving skills and encourages new neural connections. Plus, it's relaxing and expressive. 3. Gardening. Planting, watering, and planning your garden keep your body active and your mind engaged in learning. 4. Dancing. Dance combines physical movement with rhythm, challenging both your balance and memory. 5. Learning a new language. Even a few words a day improves brain flexibility and delays cognitive decline. Pick one that excites you and watch your brain thank you. Follow for more fun ideas to stay sharp and happy after 50.